Hey guys, Ed here, and this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace your fog light bulb. I'm going to show you on this side here. It's going to be the same thing with the passenger or with the driver's side. So how do we remove the bulb inside? So first thing, we have to get something to put on the ground, because we'll have to get under the car. Okay, I got a floor mat, and let's get under the car. So it's actually easy. The bulb is behind it. You can just pull the bulb out, but first we have to get the clips out here. So we're gonna remove two clips, this one and this one right here. How do we remove a clip? Take a screwdriver, put it in, and try to get the middle piece loose. Okay, so you can do it like this, and then grab with something, pliers or anything, and pull out. So this is how it comes out. Just put it here for now. Same thing with this clip. Yeah, clips might break also. But clip, you know, is a clip. You can get them for cheap at the parts store. So get these clips out. Okay, I got two clips out. Now we're able to find this splash guard and get our hand inside. Okay, we get your hand inside, and then we just take the bulb, spin it, and pull it out like this. You see, it's very simple. To remove the bulb, you disconnect it from this connector right here. Okay, so you'll have to press this middle piece right here. Press on it, but you're gonna use two hands to do this. I'm holding camera in one hand, so you just press here and disconnect the bulb. Once you remove the bulb, you replace it with the new bulb. Then when you have it done, find the position, find the place where you should stick it in, right here. Try to film it from here. Okay, guys, hope you can see it where it goes in. So it goes in, and same way. So you just put it in and spin it till the end. That's it. When it's nice and solid like this, it shouldn't move. You're all set. Then we just take a clip we took out, put it in. I'm gonna put it here. Put the clip in here and press it in, and it's gonna hold. Okay, so as you can see, it's very simple. And guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.